Experiencing a black screen on your Asus laptop? You're not alone. This problem, particularly common in ROG, ZenBook, and VivoBook models, often means no display, a dim screen, or flickering. While Asus has released firmware updates and software patches addressing many software-related cases, hardware issues persist. The good news is, the situation is improving with better diagnostics tools like the AI-powered troubleshooting in the My Asus app. A black screen usually results from disruptions in the display signal chain. This chain includes the GPU, motherboard, LCD or OLED panel, and backlight inverter. Common causes fall into several categories. Hardware faults include dead pixels and backlight failure, especially common in OLED screens used in many Asus laptops. Software glitches involve outdated BIOS or conflicts from Windows updates. Power issues stem from faulty charging ports that cause undervoltage. External factors include loose cables or overheating that disrupts the display signal. Determining whether the issue is hardware or software is crucial for effective troubleshooting and finding the right solution. Start with a hard reset. Disconnect the power adapter and remove the battery if your laptop has a removable one. Then hold the power button for 30 to 60 seconds to discharge any residual power. Next, check all connections. Make sure the display cables inside your laptop are securely connected. Test the issue by connecting an external monitor using HDMI or VGA to determine if the problem is with the laptop screen or the graphics output. Update your graphics drivers. Use Asus Armoury Crate software or Windows Device Manager to uninstall and reinstall the AMD Radeon or NVIDIA GeForce drivers. Outdated or corrupted drivers are a common cause of display issues. Finally, reset the BIOS. Restart your laptop and press F2 during boot to enter BIOS setup. Navigate to the reset options and restore BIOS settings to their default values. This can fix configuration issues causing the black screen. When basic troubleshooting steps like hard resets and driver updates don't resolve the Asus laptop black screen issue, more advanced solutions are necessary. One advanced solution is reflashing the BIOS if it's corrupted. The BIOS, or Basic Input-Output System, controls hardware initialization. If corrupted by power surges or failed updates, it can cause black screens. Use Asus's official firmware update tools. Download the correct BIOS version for your model from the Asus website, create a bootable USB drive, and carefully follow the flashing instructions to restore functionality. For hardware-related black screens, such as faulty screen panels, replacement may be necessary. This is common in Asus laptops with OLED displays prone to degradation. Screen panel replacement typically costs between $200 and $500, varying by model. The process involves carefully disassembling the laptop, removing the old panel, and installing a new one, which requires specialized tools like plastic spudgers, tweezers, and screwdrivers. Unless you have extensive experience with laptop repair, it's often best to seek professional assistance for hardware replacements. Improper disassembly can void warranties, damage components, or cause additional issues. Authorized Asus service centers or certified technicians can ensure safe and proper repairs. Asus laptops increasingly use OLED panels for vibrant colors, but they're more prone to burn-in and black screens due to pixel degradation. IPS LCDs are more durable but can suffer from backlight inverter failures. Understanding if your laptop uses Intel NVIDIA hybrid graphics is important, as switching between GPUs can sometimes trigger issues. Knowing your laptop's display type is important for understanding potential failure points. The Asus ROG Strix Scar 15 from 2023 experienced widespread black screens caused by a faulty NVIDIA RTX 40 series GPU driver conflict. This led to a global recall where Asus replaced GPUs in 100,000 units, achieving a 95% success rate post-repair. In a 2025 survey, 15% of ZenBook OLED series owners reported dim screens after 6 months of use, attributed to organic light-emitting diode degradation. Successful fixes involved applying screen protectors and performing software calibration tweaks. The VivoBook Pro 16X from 2022 suffered dim screen issues due to backlight inverter failure. A user forum case study showed successful resolution through a DIY inverter replacement using parts from iFixit, saving $300 compared to official repair costs. These real-world examples highlight that software-related black screen issues are often resolvable at home through updates and tweaks, whereas hardware failures usually necessitate professional repair services. Experts estimate that 60 to 70% of Asus black screen problems are software-based. However, a 2025 survey found that Asus laptops have a 12% display failure rate within the first 2 years, higher than some competitors. This is partly attributed to Asus's rapid adoption of high-refresh OLED technology. Regular BIOS updates and avoiding overclocking are recommended preventive measures. The future of Asus laptops looks promising, with advanced technologies addressing black screen issues. AI-integrated diagnostics, similar to the updates released in 2025, are evolving toward predictive maintenance that anticipates problems before they occur. Asus plans to incorporate self-healing display technology in 2026 models, utilizing micro-LEDs to automatically repair pixel degradation and prevent black screens from occurring. Expect increased integration with cloud-based support systems for remote diagnostics and fixes, potentially reducing hardware failures by up to 50% through data-driven insights. To stay ahead of these issues, regularly update your Asus software and firmware to benefit from the latest improvements and prevent problems.